and welcome to the channel. Today I will work on this movement made by Ronda. This is the Swiss movement and model is 505. I know this movement has some problem. The date cannot be changed by stem, by crown. So in this video I will show how I will fix it, and let me show what is the problem. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And I can see that there is pinion over here. It is not engaged with the setting wheel. Now the problem could be related to different parts of this movement. It could be calendar mechanism, which is located on this dial side, or it could be on this side, which is stem mechanism around this area. My thinking is that this is this part of the movement, stem mechanism. But we'll see. I will open this side first, and then if there is no problem, we can switch to another side. Let's start. These two screws I will take out to remove the upper plate. When removing this plate, we should be very careful about the coil. Coil is unprotected here in all Ronda movements, and it's very often the cause of the problem for the movement. When movement doesn't work at all, very often it's because broken coil, damaged coil. I call it open coil, which has no resistance. Now I'm going to remove the electronic module and screw in this one screw. Also very careful around the coil. And I can remove module now. Electronic module looks like this. And to get access to the stem mechanism, I need to unscrew one more screw, this one. I will remove the battery lid and take out the screw. This is the heck part. It stops the movement in position number 2 when you adjust the time. So I'm taking out this setting spring and heck, and I think I find the problem. It's almost invisible, but here's the crack in this area. Over here. Yeah. So because I have a lot of defective movement of the same model in my scrap area, I can easily find the replacement for this. Okay, so I found the replacement and I'm going to install it here. And I'm installing back this bridge. Putting back the battery lid. And electronic module. And finally the upper plate. Again, very careful with the coil. Don't touch coil. And final screw. Okay, this is the end of the reassembling, and now we should check how all this works now. Yeah, it works now. I can change date, no problem. Very good. That was the problem, the yoke with the setting spring and with heck, all combination in the same part, which we changed and it fixed the problem. Okay, thank you for watching, and please give it a like if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.